beautiful is that? Wow. Guys, just the sound of nature, the birds, the river water running, everything. I mean, it's just relaxing, you know? Like, believe me guys, it's really, it's a vibe. It's really nice. It's mind-blowing. It's relaxing, everything. I mean, you name it, right? Wagwan people, what's going on my viewers, what's going on my subscribers, what is going on my loyal supporters? Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here today guys to share with you just a simple video. Today I will not be hunting. Today I don't have my spear gun, my slingshot, nothing. Alright, today all I have is my camera, my drone, and myself. Now I'm just doing this video based on nature. You know, just trying to like film a little hidden spots and stuff like that. Not giving away the location, but a little river stream. Right now I'm by the river, as you guys can see. Yeah, just shooting this video for you guys. So like I said, this video is just a little bit different for you guys. It's based on just nature. Not doing any kind of harvesting with any kind of animals or anything like that. I'm just doing this video just in a simple style, just to do some recording guys, just to get out of my bag. Like, you know, it's Jamaica wildlife, so it comes with a lot of things. I mean, being in the wild and filming things like this. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Always remember to drop your comments down below guys. Share your thoughts, let me know exactly what you think of this video and if you would like to see more. Alright, and please do remember, if you have enjoyed this video and you think you like my channel, feel free to hit the subscription button down below guys, and remember to always turn the notification bell on so you don't miss an update whenever time Jamaica wildlife posts. Alright, and yeah, let's get into some filming. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, stay tuned guys. Peace out, God bless and one love. trust me, this spot is beautiful. 100%, guys. Yeah guys, so I'm just go all swimming in the water. I tell us the water cool and be things it just nice. Like you get what I say. So right now guys, I just want to close the video right now, but more send a big appreciation to you guys, like to let you guys know how much I really do appreciate you guys for sticking and staying and for keep supporting my channel and helping me grow. I mean, the growth for the past couple of months has been really amazing. It's an overwhelming feeling. Like it's actually a very good feeling, you know. And as I said earlier guys, this is not really, it wasn't a hunting video or anything like that. It's just like nature kind of video, like just shooting some clips, putting it together, and I really do hope you guys enjoy it. And like I said guys, mosquitoes, like I said guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, and always remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Alright, Jamaica Wildlife is here saying peace out, God bless, and one love. Until next time.